Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need a clear idea of what boron water means before doing anything. You should understand why you want it, plant feed, lab test, or other use, because purpose dictates safe concentration and handling. Once you know the goal, make sure to consult authoritative guidance for target concentrations and legal limits. Improper dosing harms plants, animals, and people. If you're unsure, pause and seek professional advice rather than guessing quantities. You must prioritize safety and precision when dealing with boron-containing solutions. You should always use appropriate personal protective equipment and precise measurement equipment. These reduce exposure and dosing errors. Make sure to check material safety data and regulatory limits for boron in your application, and keep accurate records of concentrations and volumes. If measurements don't match expectations, stop and reassess rather than increasing doses to compensate. You should contact a qualified professional, agronomist for plants or chemist for lab work, before preparing any boron solution. They'll provide safe, application-specific instructions. Once prepared under expert guidance, monitor for toxicity signs and cease use if problems occur. If you encounter unexpected results, document conditions and consult the advisor rather than improvising corrections. For immediate hazards or poisoning, seek emergency medical help or poison control right away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.